how to join Discord server on phone. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing the ways to join Discord server on phone. So if you want to join a Discord server through your mobile phone, first of all update and check your internet connection. After you're done updating, click on the open button and then log in into your Discord account. Once you're logged into your Discord account, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side and go ahead and tap the plus icon from the left hand side bar. Once you tap on the plus icon, on the other page, you need to go ahead and tap on join a server. Now, in order to join a server, you must have a link, but that's really not necessary. So all you have to do is, you can see there is this example of the link. So all you have to do is you need to copy the link till .gg/. So make sure to copy it right till then. You can also copy paste the thing which is located right at the bottom where you can see example. Once you're done copying the link, now you can go ahead and type in any of the server that you're interested for. Now I'm just gonna go with the gaming and click on join server. After that, you can see there is this link. So if you want to accept the link, go ahead and tap on accept invite, and then you've successfully joined a public server on your mobile phone. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar you can go ahead and type in Discord server or Discord discover. After you type in Discord discover, here you need to go ahead and tap on discord.server. Next page, you'll be provided with all of the servers that's actually available on Discord. So you can go ahead and tap on join server just like that, and that's basically how you can join Discord server on phone. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.